Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna use the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette to create this look. If you are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna prep my eyelids with some eyeshadow primer. I am using the Perfect Prime eyeshadow base from Be Perfect Cosmetics. This might help smooth out some veins that we have in our eyelids. As a first shade, I'm gonna use a light brown one, which is called Basic. Moving on to my crease, I'm gonna put a warmer color. This one is called Slow Burn. And I'm gonna blend it towards the eyebrow. And now I will use a deeper dark brown color, which is called Whole. And I'm gonna concentrate the eyeshadow on the outer corners of the eye. I'm gonna go for a halo look, so I'm basically applying the darker eyeshadow in the inner corner of the eye as well. Now I'm gonna blend everything together so there are no harsh lines. Now to bring out the eye a little bit more, I'm gonna use a shimmering eyeshadow onto the center of the eyelid. This one is called Splendor. Okay, next I'm gonna use a different palette. This is from Mellow Cosmetics and it's the Sinopia palette. I'm gonna use the blue shade, the Blue Moon, and I'm gonna drag it along the bottom lash line. I'm going back to the Carnival palette and adding a bit of the darker shade I used to the outer and inner corners. I am now applying a shimmering eyeshadow with my fingertips so it will stick better onto the eyelid and it will stand out even more. With a clean blending brush, I'm gonna blend everything together and smooth out any edges. I'm gonna put a lighter eyeshadow underneath my brow bone to lighten the eye area. With a spoolie, I'm gonna brush my eyebrow hairs and give it shape with an eyebrow pencil. If you don't own a brow gel, you can easily replace it with a hairspray. So basically you spray it onto the spoolie and you brush your eyebrow hair. Now with this method it's gonna stay in place. Moving on to the base, I'm gonna put a few drops of the L'Oreal Too Much foundation. It's a very lightweight one, just to even out my skin tone. Don't forget your neck as well. I am applying a bit of concealer. I'm doing a triangle shape from the outside side of the nose towards the temples and blending towards the eye area. I usually don't put concealer right underneath the eye because I feel like it's gonna make it look more cakey, so I prefer to put it a bit lower than that. Don't forget the inner corner, as many of us have darker skin there. I'm doing a bit of bronze to the cheekbones. I'm usually skipping the contouring unless I'm doing a heavy eye makeup look. I'm using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm doing the number 3, applying onto the temples, my cheeks and jawline. I am using a cream highlighter and adding it to the high points of my cheekbone, the bridge of the nose, above the eyebrow, and to the cupid's bow. On top of that, I am using a powder highlighter. I'm now locking everything with the powder. I also tap a bit the under eye area. I feel like it makes it absorb the excess concealer, and then I'm gonna powder it. I'm adding a bit of mascara. Focusing more of the product to the root of the eyelash. And lastly, for the lips, I'm gonna first use a lip liner to line up my lips and fill them in, following with a nude brown velvet lipstick. You can also add a bit of gloss on top. And this is the final look. I hope you liked it and you found it helpful or inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.